Hey everybody, welcome to my soapy birthday celebration. It's the day before my birthday and I couldn't wait any longer because we have a mailbox minute. And in this mailbox minute I want to show you what a soap maker buys for herself for her birthday. Alright, hopefully these are the things that I think they are. But I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna warn you, it's gonna be strange stuff. You're gonna think, why does Jen need this? Well, Jen can't afford a melter. And I'd like to try Masterbatching, and this one is for my oils, for Masterbatching my YouTube videos, so I can do more of the intricate designs with smaller quantities without having to measure it out every time and recalculate it. And I mean, the soap recipe that I have is my favorite, so why not just, and there's like 10 ingredients, so why do it every single time? So when I get tired of rebatching, and I've got a lot of soap for rebatching, so we'll continue to do that because I want to do every technique that I can with rebatching that you can do with cold process soap that's fresh. So this is my oil container. I had a feeling it was that. And if you put it, I'm going to do it nice and hot, mix my oils, and then store it with a heat pad underneath to kind of keep it and mix it every once in a while to keep it fluid. So even in Canada, you have rebatching, or not rebatching, Masterbatching. So there's half of my Masterbatching system. Now I still don't have a place to store it. It might be someplace weird like the basement, but because I have small kids and I don't want to, I can open it up. I think this is the other half. Oh. Yes, it is. So this is my lye bucket. So we're going to master batch my lye. Now when I do my lye, it isn't with the full water recommended. I do a 50% discount from the recommended on the soap calculators out there, so that my soap is ready to go faster. Now I don't recommend you do that if you're a first-time soap maker, but I kind of know what mine does. If I soap at room temperature, it's fine. If I soap hot, I'm in a lot of trouble. I should probably see if I can find the footage from the Soap Cecil Zypha that left me burned and broken this year. It took a while to heal that up. So this is a miniaturized version. Since I'm still really small and I can't afford to buy the big bins, and I don't have a huge store yet for master batching here on YouTube. So this was kind of how I spent the rest of my money from all of you wonderful subscribers who watch the videos and don't click out. I've taken out the beginning ads because I just find they're annoying, and I want you to stay and watch my videos rather than spending all your time trying to click out. I did leave the banner ads, so if you don't find them irritating, let them run because it buys me soap supplies. Thank you, thank you. And so I'm going to share my hunting season stuff with you. I went hunting for soap fairies, so more than just foraging this time, we're doing some seriously fun stuff. So more about that on Wednesday or Thursday. It all depends on when the video is finished editing. But I'm very excited to share the Magical Creatures series with you for this Soaptober. And if you want to jump on the bandwagon as a soap maker, go right ahead. Let's get creative and have some fun. We'll see you next time. Bye.